my diamonds make it hurt.
Hi guys, this paper 2018 May June we are going to solve. It's summer paper and paper 2 we're going to take up right now, and it is paper 2-1 summer paper, and in this we are going to solve data manipulation. That's the databases part. So let's go to that part. Here is the one task 3. You are now going to prepare some reports using related tables in a database. Make sure all dates are displayed in the format DDMMMYY to digits of year, and the times are displayed in hours to digits of hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, this is an important information that we have to check and follow every time we are working with this database. 21. Import the file j218students.csv into database package. So the package we are using is Msaccess. Into that, just we have to get and keep open access software. Okay, this is the one. We are going to import the file student something is there, right? That one over here. Right, now let's start. Excel data, new data source, from file, text file. Browse to your that folder. What is the folder? 2018, right? Okay, so just reach the folder. 2018 May June paper 2-1, and here we have J218 students. This is the one we need. Okay, here is the data in CSV format. First row contains field names. Next, see the dates are there. Okay, maybe a time is also there. Okay, then here the first column is selected. Then just go to advanced and set the data type of each and every field over here. Now let's go to the question paper here. Text. It's for the first 3 fields, and here short text, and short text. Yes, so we don't have a text, but we have a short text data type in Access. Now we'll continue with the next. Birth date is a date, and it should be in this format. An example is also given over here. Okay, here date with time, fine. Okay, later we'll change the design what we want in the format of the date. Okay, now here next, faculty telephone is a text. Both telephone is text. Telephone is text. Okay, then we'll go for there is no text here, short text. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. Next, the last one is full time is a Boolean or logical. For that, here we have yes, no. Okay, now next, is there any primary key? Set student ID field as a primary key. Now let's set that. Choose my primary key, and student ID is the primary key. Next, yeah, we're gonna end this, finish, and close. Here is the one. The table is appearing with all the details. Look at the dates, date formats, since my system date is seen in the same format, is there in the same format, so it is appearing in the same format. Else we can change as well in the design. Okay, uh, so you can see there my system date is in this format, so this also in the same format, automatically it applied over there. If you don't have if your that means if your date format is different, so just you can go to design and you can change that. Now just I have only like how do we change that? Go to design and design view and date and time, and here under format, you have to change the, see, look at that, medium date or short date. Fine, having three letters and the two digits of each. Okay, this way you can change it. Okay, I'm not going to change it because I have already there. I have it already. Okay, now I have only this full time. This one I have to change. Just go to design. Now yes no type it is. Format. Format is yes no. This will set here. Okay, just save it over here, and when you open this one, now this checkbox is appearing because of the text. Okay, so what we'll do, we go just go to table fields and data type, change to short text. Okay, now we can see all yes no, and there are 158 records. There are 158 records. Okay, this is done. The perfect table is available for us for further questions. Okay, save and close it. Now let's go to the question paper. Save the data. Take a screenshot of evidence showing the field names and data types in the table. Place this in the evidence. Okay, fine. Now let's go to okay, let me just keep open view, design view, and we have to take a screenshot of it. See, just what you do, just keep it yes no, then take a screenshot. Okay, now I'm using light shot. Okay, I'll crop it how much I need it. Just now press print screen button on your keyboard. Now just I'll crop it like this. Okay, copy. Now I'll change this to short text to have that. Save, close. And where's my this evidence? Evidence is over here. Okay, what is the evidence there? Evidence number 4. Here. Step 21. Yep. Okay, paste that. Fine. Now save and just minimize it for now. 22 question. Import the file J218 test underscore data CSV as a new table in your database. Make sure the dates and times are displayed in the required format. Okay, that we have to make sure. Fine. Now let's go to this get the new another table. External data, new data source from file, text file. Browse. Now I'll open test data. Here is the data. First row contains field names, and here if you see the time limiter, we have anything date, time and numbers. Okay, fine. This one of this is the date with time and date with time. These two are test duration as well. This in these tree we have dates and times. Okay, and what's the primary key there? Any primary key? Did not set a primary key. Okay, no primary key. Okay, does data? Yes. Here is the date and the time and test duration. Can you see there? You're supposed to get like this. Perfect. Data, importing. Yeah. Now I'll just go for further questions. This is my data. Okay, this is test duration something. Okay, safe. Now let's go to the next question. Create a one-to-many relationship between student ID in the students table and the REG ID, maybe registration ID, field in the test data table. And we also have to place the evidence showing the type of relationship between the two tables. Okay, now let's come here, save once again and just close this. Now we're going to work on the relationships. Okay, now go to database tools, relationships. Pick both the tables, close. Okay, now we need those two columns which we're going to link it. Okay, and student ID is the primary key here. Student ID to registration ID. Hold down from student ID the column and go to registration ID and just leave it on that. Okay, and just click all those referential integrity, one-to-many relationship you can see there, and the required columns are there. Okay, the relationship enforce okay, they don't want to, okay, fine, just uncheck that. Okay, uncheck that, then create, done. So here is the relationship. Now just they want to get evidence of it. Now let's just keep it over here like this. Okay, now let's take a screenshot of it. Press print screen button and here is the screenshot. Go to your evidence and place it as a 22 or evidence 6. Okay, save and just minimize. Okay, then close. Yes. Next, 23 now. Create a columnar data entry form which will include all the fields from the test data table. The field headings must be aligned to the left and positioned under each other. Make sure all the field headings and data are fully visible. So here one new database object that is called form, and that's used for data entry into the table. Any records, single record at a time we can enter into the table, and that is called altogether data entry form. Okay, this one we are going to create right now. Now let's go. Okay, keep the area empty there. Create form wizard. And what is said here clearly, which tables data we have to take from the test data table. Clearly it's mentioned it should be from test data table. Okay, here is my test data table is selected. Yes, out of these two test data, and here are all its columns or fields. Take all the details and next. And it's a columnar, it's clearly said there, it's a columnar data entry form. So it's a columnar there. And what's the title we're going to give on the top? Anything is said about? It's not said, just data entry form. Okay, just I'll add here form and modify the form's design. Okay, here is the design view of the form. Just we can reduce the length of these, not like this, of this. Okay, or this as well, and this one. Okay, and save. Any suitable title or nothing is said about, right? Any suitable title can we give? The field headings must be aligned. That's it. That's it. No heading for it. This data form entry. I'll just add it to have just a bit meaningful. Okay. Now I'll work on this. The fields. Okay, just reduce the size. Okay, all these are not selected. Okay, and what you can do, just you can select all of them and just add some detailing to that, or like this to appear better. Fine. Okay, just save and view in layout. It will be like this. If this data is going longer, just I'll widen this column. Restore fine. Restore fine. Okay, save and go to design. Only unit, I guess. Okay, save layout. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Next question in the line 3-4. Use the form created in step 23 to enter the following details as a new record. Okay, this all we're going to enter, literally we're going to type in this all the data, no copying at all. Okay, let's type in. Let's practice that. I have to go for a new record. Okay, form view, we have to go for that. If you want to enter a new record through this form, we have to go for form view. And look at here, there are total 772 records. Now what we enter will be 773rd record, right? Now for that I have to go for a new record, new or blank record there. And now let's start typing in V1.0 capital. And what's the unit? Internet and email. Capital letters, small letters, everything you have to check, please. 1.12 hyphen A. CIE here. CIE more 5437 7501 801, sorry. Result pass 55. Test date 15 Feb 17. 15 Feb 17. 143000. 14, 30. Test. Oh, sorry. It's a wrong entry. Can you see there? Format is wrong. Test day. Test day. It's Wednesday. Uh, Wednesday. And test duration. 36 minutes 10 seconds. Invigilator, Jarek Bosco. Okay, now this is done. Okay, just save this and press enter. Now you see in this record list 773 records. Yes, so our record is added perfectly successfully. Okay, now what's next? Check for data entries. That all we did. Okay, entry, place the evidence document showing the data entry form. This one they want to see. Okay, it's actually big. Sorry, just what I do. I'll take it like this so that I can see it clearly. Now press print screen and take a screenshot like this. Save. Now just where is my evidence? Here, evidence 6. Yes, this is the one. Save. Now let's get back to the question. So, okay, now I'll go for next question. This is done. 25. So here onwards we have what's that? The query and the report section. Fine. We will do this in the part 2 session. Okay, part 1 session is till 24, question number 24. Okay, thank you.